If you're having trouble with Grok, whether on the website or the app, follow these steps to get it working again. Start with the quick triage section, then move to the specific fixes for your issue. Quick triage, try these first, switch your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try your phone's mobile data, or vice versa. Use a different browser or a private window. Open Grok in a private or incognito tab, or try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Disable your VPN, ad blockers. Temporarily turn off any VPN, proxy, or ad blocking software and see if that fixes the problem. Check your device's time. Make sure your computer or phone's date and time are set to update automatically. Website fixes, for desktops and laptops. 1. Clear your cache and cookies. A hard refresh often fixes many issues by forcing the browser to download the latest version of the page. Windows, Linux, press Ctrl plus F5. MacOS, press CMD plus Shift plus R. If that doesn't work, clear the site data specifically for Grok. Go to your browser settings, privacy, cookies and site data. Search for Grok and remove its data. 2. Check for browser extensions. If Grok works in a private window but not in your regular one, an extension is likely the cause. Temporarily turn off all your browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Try reloading Grok. If it works, re-enable your extensions one by one to find the one causing the issue. 3. Flush your DNS. Sometimes, your computer's stored DNS data can cause connection issues. Windows. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig flush DNS. MacOS. Open terminal and type sudo dscache util flushcache sudo killal hup mdns responder. 4. Handle server errors. If you see a 429 error, you are being rate limited. Wait 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. If you see a 5xx error, 500, 502, 503, 504, the problem is on Grok's end. There's nothing you can do but wait. Try using the mobile app or check again later. App fixes, for Android and iOS. 5. Force close and reopen. Android. Swipe up from the bottom to see your recent apps, then swipe Grok away to close it. iOS. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher, then swipe up on the Grok app to close it. 6. Clear app cache and data. This is one of the most effective fixes for app issues. Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Grok, Storage, Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, go back and select Clear Data.